Hi friends, this is hand mixer I was buy from AWOK.com. Only 1 dirham. I will check this is working or not. I was don't believe how they sell only 1 dirham hand mixer. This is like as a offer. If you buy up to 16 dirham anything from AWOK, you can buy 1 dirham 2 item from there. Small size, very nice looking. This one have 7 speed. One, two, three, 4, 5 like this 7 speed. It's nice to catch small size. Hand mixture. Normally this one just push down, automatically catch inside. This two, totally 4 they give for mixing. Now I will put current, it's working or not, I will show you guys. Wow, it's working. Very nice, only 1 dirham. This is very easy for mixing anything. Thanks for watching guys.